And let's start with enterprise applications, which has been an area a lot of enterprises have been invested in for several years, right? And we see that the enterprise applications platforms are moving away from being systems of record to being systems of execution that are kind of driven on more functional convergence and using agents for doing a lot of the task execution. So how do you see the application platforms themselves evolving in this area?
We finally have an opportunity with agentic AI to go from data to decisions, and that's what the application platforms are going to serve a role. The question really is different. This question is, what would you like to automate? Where would you like to create decision automation? That's where we're going to spend a lot of opportunities. And then the other question we ask is, when and where we'll insert a human?
And I see if you look at us as Wipro as well, we have put a $100 billion investment in AI, right?
Wow, okay.
And that's across, the way we see it as we have done investments in helping customers on the native AI, which comes from all these platforms. Every platform is bringing its set of agents. And we're looking at also overlay solutions where you look at really solutions which sit on top of these platforms and can help orchestrate it. And at the same time, there are also build part, which you kind of talked about, where agents are being built, custom built as well on the hyperscalers as well. So in this ecosystem, right, how do you see all of this convergence of all these agents coming together? More critically, how do you really see the value coming out of that?
I think the most important part is cross-platform multi-agentic AI. We're going to be able to have to do that. And so just because you start in one area, maybe you choose Oracle, you choose Salesforce, you choose SAP, you're going to have to go to all the other areas.
Exactly.
And it doesn't end with an end-to-end process to be just in one transactional system. So this is where we're going to have a lot of help from system integrators like yourselves to figure out, how do I manage that, right? So do I have a control tower for the agent? How do I manage it?
Right.
What does security look like? If I introduce new types of protocols, where does that go into place? And this is where we're going to see a lot of the advancements.